Hey friends, if the NVIDIA Control Panel is missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So this happens on my system as well because I have NVIDIA drivers on my system, RTX. And when I search for NVIDIA Control Panel, I don't find anything here. I don't find NVIDIA GeForce, I just don't find anything here. So what am I supposed to do in this case? Open the Microsoft Store and nothing else. And if you don't find it here, then search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Expand it, type NVIDIA Control Panel and then install it. And wait for it to install because this is a very heavy software. So it will need a while to install. And once it does, then click on Open, click on Agree, and then you will be able to access it. And then also open the device manager and then expand this thing here, the display drivers, and right click and update the NVIDIA GeForce drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.